Okay, we're at Avenida Doutor Mário Soares. Give you a little context. You got this cool looking building right here. You got people going that way. And you got this little thing right here. And we're gonna head down that way. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's get across the street right away. First thing we're gonna do is get across. You got some traffic. You got this new building here that's going over the water. Then you have this kind of cool looking building up here as well. Try to capture some of that. Kind of interesting windows, different good design. That's Grand Lisboa Casino. That's Casino Lisboa. That's Wynn Palace. That's Wynn. Wynn Palace is on Cotai MGM Casino. And this is a little roundabout called Ferreira Amaral. And we're gonna walk down Avenida Doutor Soares. And we'll kind of show you a little bit of what we can see in this area. There's Hotel Sintra straight ahead. And there's also a nice walkway if we went down that way. So I think that way might actually even be a little bit better. But we did this one not too long ago as well. I went and did Avenida Comercial de Macau. I'd like to do it again actually, it's really nice. So yeah, then this is that kind of funky building right there. Okay, let's go on across. So there's this street right here. And we're just gonna go across more. Yeah, actually this is kind of nice. So the Hotel Sintra is right there, and then also Grand Emperor. And there's the Lisboa and such like that. I really want to do this particular one, so I don't know. I'm a little tempted to just do it anyways. But yeah, this is kind of a cool looking building right here. Yeah, there's got the waterfront right there as well, so man, I'd love to do that one instead. Okay, so I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of have this one kind of be a short one, Dr. Soares one. And it basically goes all the way down that way. And there's some pretty cool stuff. These apartments here, I've always liked that one. There's a little skate park in there, and this little overpass. And there's actually a nice apartment store down that way too. But I think I really want to do the Avenida Comercial de Macau, so I think we're gonna end it right there. A little short, but it is what it is.